coolest thing I think I've gotten out of this play as far as character development and stuff is just how innovative this guy was, and how he was really he was an engineer, but he was really an inventor, and he didn't build much of what he started. But he also invented the cow catcher and a train car that would record all the actions of the car. So I thought he's somebody I would have loved to meet in person.
I think the most interesting thing that I've discovered so far is about society in that time, and portraying a character who's so, I guess, in his own way, a slave to that era, a slave to his society, but also has, needs and desires, and sort of the juxtaposition of those two things I found very interesting to work with as an actor.
What drew me to the play was Ada's, in real life and in the play, her ability to just say what she was thinking. She was so forward with her opinion and got her into trouble, but since she was forward with her opinion, we got to see how much of a visionary she was with mathematics. The most exciting thing through this process has actually been how much research and account there is of Ada in real life. So much can be told and has been learned in books and articles on her real life, from her real letters, people's diaries, all the way back from the 1800s. There is just so much account of everything.